Hi, I'm Melinda and I am the Program Convenor for the Diploma of Science. So the Diploma of Science has a lot of opportunities. You will get to choose from a number of streams. You might choose forensic science or you might choose biomedical science. Depending on which stream you choose will depend on what subjects you take to then get you through to the university. So the teachers in the Diploma of Science are lovely. They're all experts in their field. If you have any questions, they're very approachable and ready to answer your questions that you might have. We have a number of courses that have hands-on practical labs, which you go over to Griffith University to do those, and it gives you very good, as I said, hands-on experience so that when you get to the university you'll be a lot more confident. The main thing to think about before starting the Diploma of Science is your level of maths. If you don't have that level of maths, we do have core math skills classes that should get you up to the level for you to be able to progress in the diploma. Griffith College as a pathway is a very nurturing place to start your study. There can be a gap between finishing high school and starting university, and it's very nerve-wracking, and I think that Griffith College and the teachers and the staff and the other students are in the same position, but it is, like I said, very nurturing, and it's an amazing way to start your studies. If you have any questions at all about the Diploma of Science, feel free to reach out and ask me anything, whether it's email or popping up to my office. I'm always here.